If your iPhone is showing you a cluster of notifications a few times a day instead of showing notifications when they happen, it's because you have summarized notifications enabled. Go to Settings and scroll down to Notifications. Tap Scheduled Summary, and here you'll see what you have currently enabled. If you want to keep the summaries and just change the time and frequency, you can set the schedule from here. If you want to exclude some apps from summaries, you can toggle them off. Or the other way around, only summarize notifications from certain apps, leave everything toggled off except those few selected apps. Or if you don't want summaries at all, just disable them altogether. Now you'll get all notifications in real time. If you scroll down in the notifications menu, you can customize notifications for individual apps. You can change the notification style or disable notifications completely for specific apps. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe to get quick and free access to hundreds of easy tutorials like this one. Thanks all, hope to see you in another video.